Alright, we bought these at Costco. It's an LED. It's a dusk till dawn light. Pretty nice. It's got a little sensor right there. The only thing we didn't like about it was the bottoms. As you can see, there's no bottom, so that means the bugs and wasps and stuff can go up there and build nests. So what we did was we went to Lowe's and got some Lexan for like $4, and now we got a sealed unit. So when the light goes out, that comes on, and everything's good. Alright, all we did was we got a piece of Lexan, cut it to size. It's about 4 7/8 by 4 7/8, and then we put silicone to hold it in there. Here, I'll show you. There we go. Alright, here, you can hold this. Okay. Alright. So, just pull off the protective coating. Alright. If you could hold that, my dear. Put the silicone. Just a little bead, do ya? We already test fitted it, so we knew it's good. So then just take this. That's it. Silicone should make enough of a suction. You don't need. We taped the first one, but I don't think we'll need it now. But I guess it couldn't hurt to put it on there. So, all right, that's it. She's done.